Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be working on the KTM 390 Adventure again. 2022 KTM 390 Adventure. We never work on it on this channel at all, so I want to make sure that it gets a little bit of content. Just kidding, guys. Hey, I wanted to show you guys something I found that I thought was pretty neat. This reflective tape matches the KTM orange pretty darn close. This is DOTC2 tape, and you can use it on all kinds of stuff. I bought it so I could use it on the Givi boxes, and man, it turned out really sharp. Stuff sticks like glue. It's made for trailers and trucks and you name it. But yeah, it really matches the orange nicely. I will leave a link in the description for this. This video is going to be a conglomeration of a bunch of things that I need to get done before we go on our trip. So I'm just going to throw it all at you. Some of the stuff has not arrived yet, but you won't be able to tell from the time lapse because as the stuff comes in, I will keep filming and we will knock all this stuff out. So basically I got an SL105 key set, and basically what that does is it will take all of the different locks that I have that are keyed differently on the two boxes, the two tool boxes. I got one more. I'm still waiting on the mount for it, and of course the top case. This is the Outback Trekker top case. It's the biggest one that Givi makes. It's also the most robust and highest end one that they make, and it's 58 liters if I remember correctly. There's enough room in there for a helmet and a lunch or whatever the case may be. I also got this net that goes in the top of this case, and then of course the top case mount on the bike is here. However, the mono key plate that goes with it is not here yet, so we're waiting on the mount for the toolbox and the mono key plate. Those will be here in the video. We're gonna get it all knocked out, so let's get started. How do you get those in there? Little screwdriver. Oh, that's too big. That's that. Uh-oh. I think we lost one. I don't know why I'm messing around with rubber dots so much. Why are these things so important? I don't understand. This is quite humorous to me that I'm a grown adult messing around with rubber dots on a motorcycle mounting plate. Humorous. Quite humorous. I don't know if you're even supposed to use these. But I'm gonna put them in there anyway. Okay. Almost got that one. Oh, this is so childish. This is like a kid's game. Why do we need these on here? I'm tempted to not even use these things. I don't know why they're so important. Well, that's all we have time for today, kids. I'm not messing around with that thing anymore. I don't know why this is so humorous to me. What, Givi, is this some sort of a fun little game you've created for adults? Putting these rubber dots in your frickin' plates? I will not be subjected to the rubber dot game ever again by another manufacturer. No more rubber dot game. Holy moly. Seems kind of short. Maybe there's a better length screw. It's supposed to go there. What do I know? Who's driving through the neighborhood with their music up so loud that it annoys everybody? Just trying to get something done here. I don't think that this plate was designed for this bike, but it's gonna work. Oh, it fits so good. This is the best part of the video for you guys. Getting to watch this crap. Oh. Well, it's definitely not going to rattle around because of all the little rubber bumpers on it. Yeah, those are kind of pinned in place now. I think this was supposed to go on a trekker rack, not a 390 Adventure. Oh, wait a minute. Is that supposed to go forward? I can't tell anymore. No, it won't fit in the other way. This is the only way it fits on there, folks. I was missing some longer bolts, but I found them. So that plate fits on there pretty good. You guys said you wanted something big, like a little pizza delivery box, or I think I'm gonna deliver bags of concrete. 100-pound bags of concrete in this box. Oh, it's perfect. Concrete delivery box. Look at that. This is pretty awesome. Yeah. You could probably use it as like a pet carrier if you had some windows on it or something on the sides. Can you imagine driving past somebody in a car with a little window cut out in their Givi box and their cat's like waving at you? That'd be pretty fun. You guys think that you're good at doing pizza deliveries? Well, I'm gonna be the king. Look at the king of pizza deliveries with this setup. This is so ridiculous. How do you guys ride like this? I can't even imagine. Look at how big that thing is. It's a 58-liter Outback Trekker case from Givi. You mean to tell me that people do this? They ride around with this stuff on their motorcycles? Well, I'll give it a shot. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna ride with this thing on the back all the time. Maybe for like a long road trip or something, but this is getting a little carried away. I think this is probably gonna be the last episode of me blowing money on GV stuff. The only other thing I'm gonna get is one more jerry can for this one so it matches. But yeah, look at all the reflective and everything. It actually looks, when you step back, whoa, if you don't trip on a trash can, it actually looks pretty cool. Like it matches the bike really well. I'm kind of digging it, even though I just put it on there and I was like laughing about it. I kind of dig it. I like the look. Look at all the orange accents on the chain and the reflectors on the boxes and the graphic scheme that's on the bike. Look at it from the back. I can't get far enough back for you guys to get a full view of this, but dude, it looks pretty awesome. People will definitely notice you if you have all this stuff on there. They're probably gonna shake their head and laugh, but you'll get noticed, that's for sure. So I think for the off-roading stuff, I'm not gonna ride with that giant coffin on the back like that, but I'll just ride with the little side cases. But it is a nice, it is a nice setup, and the features that come with it are pretty crazy. I think they sell a pad that goes here, so that if you have a passenger, they can lean up against it like a backrest. Maybe I'll get one of those in the future, but for right now, I think that's probably going to be enough dinging around with the GV stuff for a while. I spent a lot of money on that, but it's good for a laugh. Hey, if you guys like this video, leave me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed yet, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. And hey, links are in the description. If I can find links to all this stuff, I will definitely leave it in the description for anybody that wants to follow along and build the same outfitted 390 Adventure. I don't know why anybody would want to make the bike look the same as mine, but whatever. Nothing ceases to amaze me nowadays. But other than that, you guys are going to want to stay tuned to the channel. We have special treat, Adventures with Abel series is making a comeback. Try to get you some footage of some of the fun, mayhem, high risk, high reward type stuff coming up. It's supposed to be a snowstorm that we're going to be driving through at one point. I don't know. The weather is crazy lately. It's supposed to be spring and we've got all this snow stuff happening still, so it's nuts. Highest snow totals in what, 50 years or something? Anyhow, enough of my rambling. Hope you guys like this video, and stay safe, take care of each other, and as always, I will catch you next time. See you later, bye-bye.